For slide number 4, you need to type a paragraph that summarizes the book and what you liked about the book. To do that, go to the taskbar, click the arrow, choose a slide that you think would be good to type text into. I'm going to choose title and body. I'm going to change it. I'm going to get rid of this box. To do that, I'm going to click on the line so it's all highlighted and then hit the delete button. I'm going to come down to this box, click on it and make it bigger. Then I can start to type. Once I've typed my entire paragraph, I want it to fill this space. So I'm going to make the size bigger. Now, obviously, you're going to have more than one word. But to do that, you'll highlight the word, go up here to this font size box, and choose a bigger number. And you can just keep doing that until you have this space filled, or you can honestly make the box smaller as well. Whatever works best for you and what looks best to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. That's how you do it.